Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to read grammar part of lesson number 3, Daddy Long Legs. In this chapter, we are going to read grammar part. First is pronouns. Now we have to read few sentences. I traveled yesterday for 4 hours in a train. Here, I here stands for Zerusha. In this sentence, I traveled yesterday for 4 hours in a train. This line is from your story. And here I stands for Zerusha. You are tall. You is used in place of Zerusha's trusty. Here, you are tall. In this sentence, you is used in place of Zerusha's trusty. So, I and you are pronoun. Means that a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Pronoun वैसे word होते हैं जिनको हम noun के place पे use करते हैं. As you can see, I use किया गया Zerusha के लिए, you यहाँ use किया गया second sentence में Zerusha के trusty के लिए. So pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Some other pronouns are we, he, she, they and it. Few more examples we can see. Raman and I are going to play Scrabble. We are great friends. In this sentence, we is pronoun. John is my classmate. He is intelligent and helpful. John is my classmate. He is intelligent. He is used in place of John. So he is pronoun here. Sumona is fond of reading. She always has a book in her hand. In place of Sumona, she is used here. So, she is pronoun. The boy are playing cricket. They like playing the sport a lot. Means that Sumona is fond of reading. She always has a book in her hand. So, she is used in place of Sumona. So, here she is a pronoun. The boys are playing cricket. They like playing the sport a lot. Here, they are used for boys. So, they is here pronoun. The vase is old. It has been in my family for generations. So, here it is used for the vase. Instead of vase, it is used here in this sentence. So, it is a pronoun. Sometimes we don't use the pronoun at the beginning of a sentence. My parents didn't tell me about the trip. The teacher told us a new story today. Me, us, in these two sentences, me and us, these are pronoun. Rashmi can help you with your homework. You is pronoun here. Kate gifted him a book. Him is pronoun here in this sentence. The children don't know her. Her is pronoun in this sentence. Where is my book? I can't find it anywhere. In this sentence, it is a pronoun. The teacher distributed the sweets among them. Them is pronoun in this sentence. So, according to these things, by keeping these things in our mind, we have to solve few exercises also that I will give you in PDF. Next, we have to read about verb. Please open your book, page number 22. A verb is a word that tells us about an action, an event, or a state. Verb is a word that tells us about an action, an event or a state. Let's see few examples. But I wanted to write a letter first to just get acquainted. The verb wanted refers to time before now. The time which has already passed. The sentence is said to be in simple past tense. One thing, verb want takes ed to form its past tense. Wanted. जब हम want में ed को ऐड करते हैं तो ये past tense में हो जाता है wanted. In fact, most verbs takes d or ed to form their past tense. Such verbs are called regular verbs. Means that बहुत सारे ऐसे वर्ब होते हैं जिनमें d और ed को ऐड करने से वो उनके past tense में फॉर्म कर जाते हैं. Examples you can see, by adding d we can make bake as baked, like as liked, love as loved, arrive as arrived. Now see few more examples by adding ed. ed को ऐड करके जो examples होंगे हम उनके बारे में देखेंगे. Allow as allowed, call as called, need needed, travel traveled. So you can see here how by adding d or ed the word changes into past form. However, some verb changes their spelling to form their past tense. कुछ वर्ब ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनका स्पेलिंग ही चेंज कर जाता है जब वो पास्ट टेंस में फॉर्म करते हैं. दे आर नोन एज इरेगुलर वर्ब्स. सो वी कैन सी मोर एग्जाम्पल्स रिलेटेड टू इरेगुलर वर्ब. Begin, began. You can see here, begin when changes to past form, it becomes began. Spelling totally changes. Catch in past form changes to caught. Spelling totally changes here also. Draw as drew in past tense. Eat changes to ate in past tense. Grow changes to grew in past tense. Hide to hid. Shake to shook. Write to wrote. So you can see in these examples how the spelling is changing totally. Totally spelling is completely changing. In past form, when we make the past form of these words, spelling totally changes. So that's all students for today. We will do some exercise related to the both topics, pronoun and verb, and I will give you in PDF form. Please try to read it once more so that you can understand it well. Thank you.